We're at the back end of the rabbit now. This is a tail here, and this is the rabbit's behind. So we're gonna turn him onto his side and take a look at the hip muscles that you're responsible for. And this is really pretty simple. We've got two gluteal muscles here. The gluteus maximus, which is pinned in yellow, is a lot thinner and not quite as strong as the gluteus medius. In us, the gluteus maximus is bigger and stronger than the gluteus medius. But because we named it, doesn't matter what the size is on the rabbit, it matters what the size is on us. So gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, and then coming around that sits on the top of the thigh, and you'll see a lot of fascia here associated with this. We've trimmed quite a bit of it away already. This is the tensor fascia latae. So again, lots of fascia that we've trimmed away here so that we can look at our quadriceps in a bit. And then also so that we could see our gluteal muscles. But the actual muscle looks like this. This is the tensor fascia latae, gluteus maximus, and gluteus medius.